The annual report and inspiring us with the remarkable journey to this academic year.
Your guidance continues to motivate our school community to strive for excellence. May we take a moment to welcome our Honorable Secretary of Vivek Education Society, Shashi Verma Sir, and Narayan Sir, founder of Akshaya Shakti, with a respect presented by our council members. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. After that, I invite the Vice President of PTA, Mr. Sachin Kamble, sir, to share his thoughts.
Good evening all, respected guests, principal madam, teacher and dear parents. It is an honor to stand before you today as a proud PTA member and vice president of Vivek Vidyalaya on the wonderful occasion of annual day celebration. This day is always special. It reflects the hard work, creativity and achievement of our students and the dedication of our teachers who guide them with such care. As parent and teacher, we share one common goal to help our children grow into confident, responsible and compassionate individual. I am happy to say that Vivek Vidyalaya has always upheld these values, not just in academics, but in the disciplines, sports, culture activities and overall character development. I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation to our principal ma'am and the entire staff of their continuous effort. I also thank all parents for their support and cooperation with the school. And of course, a big round of applause to our student. Today is your day and we are all here to celebrate your talent and achievement. Let us continue working together as one family to make your Vivek Vidyalaya a place where every child shines. Thank you and wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir, for covering the key points. It's a collective effort of teachers, parents, and students to enhance our school initiatives. With great pleasure, we acknowledge the arrival of respected Jay Menon, husband of our principal Shija Menon ma'am. Is been welcomed by our Consilium member. Thank you for joining us, sir. Welcome, sir. Now is the time to honor our brilliant achievers. So without any further delay, let us begin with the prize distribution ceremony. One of the secrets of achievement is to make stepping stones out of stumbling blocks. It's a time to honor and celebrate the exceptional achievements of our students. It's a moment to recognize and reward their hard work, dedication, and passion for excellence. As we distribute the prizes, let's remember that success is not just about winning, but about the journey, the effort, and the perseverance. With immense joy, I request our governing members of Vivek Education Society, Honorable Vice President Ramchandran Sir, Honorable Secretary Shashi Verma Sir, Honorable Joint Secretary Krishnan Sir, to kindly come on the stage and felicitate our proud achievers. Audience, kindly give a big round of applause. I request Krishnan Sir to do the honors. Beginning with the first award, we have Vivek Vidyalaya Parent Teacher Association Rolling Shield, which is awarded to a student who stood first in our school in the SSC examination. And it goes to Miss Arya Shivaji Matkar. Audience, kindly give a big round of applause for Arya. Arya, you are a true inspiration to all. Keep shining. Next award is Captain R. Subramanian Memorial Rotating Trophy, instituted by all his classmates of 1991 SSC batch, awarded for the outstanding boy and girl of the year. And it goes to Miss Durga Santosh Nair of 10th D and Master Sri Rag Chandramohan Nair of 10th D.
Bunga, bunga.
Heartiest congratulations, Durga and Sri Rag. We are proud of you both.
Bunga, bunga.
Rolling Trophy awarded to a student of secondary section who excels in information technology. This award is initiated by Mr. Anant Payala, Mr. Rajan Srisagar and the entire batch of SSC 2012-2013. And it is awarded to Ms. Durva Ganesh Bhattade of 8th B. Durva, you are the rising star in the world of technology. Keep aiming high. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. I request Shashi Verma, sir, to kindly do the honor. Cash prize awarded by Mrs. Renuka Anil Kumar for classical music, and it goes to Master Ayush Warrior of Standard 10th A. Congratulations, Ayush. Keep nurturing your talent. Next is Resilience Award, a rolling trophy for student of secondary section for showing excellence in dealing with the obstacles in life and emerging a winner. The trophy is initiated by Mrs. Biji Tushar, retired Assistant Headmistress of Vivek Vidyalaya and sponsored by Mumbai B.Ed College, and is awarded to Master Ayush Kumar Saroj of 10th A. Ayush, you are a true winner. Congratulations on this well-deserved award.
As we move ahead, we take this moment to honor a teacher whose journey speaks of dedication and faithfulness. Apostle Paul said, "Whatever you do, work it with all your heart, as working for the Lord." I request Mrs. Jency Joseph to kindly come forward. we proudly felicitate for completing 15 years of dedicated, devoted service in our school. As a teacher of English and social science, she has shaped young minds with wisdom, patience, and commitment. I request all the dignitaries to join. Next, we have winners of KP West Ward, Sir Shalai Upakram. I request Honorable Ramchandran Sir to felicitate our proud winner. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to announce that our school has secured third best school prize in Sir Shalai Upakram KP West Ward. This, may I now request our respected principal, Mrs. Shija ma'am, to kindly come ahead and receive this honor. Give her a huge round of applause. This achievement reflects the collective efforts and commitment of our entire school community. Cheer up, audience! Not enough! On 7th December, our principal, Shija Menon ma'am, received award for maximum amount collected by students for Armed Forces Flag Day 2025. Following are the proud winners of ward level competition. Children, be ready. Master Samir Kher has won second prize in instrumental music junior category. He is absent. If the parents are there, can collect it. Okay. Shivani Vishwakarma has won first prize in drawing competition. The teacher in charge. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. May I now request Dr. Vijeta Shetty ma'am to do the honors. Chanderia Pashwa has secured consolation prize in elocution junior category. Sanchi Kale has won first consolation prize in guess what? Mono acting seniors category. Our students secured second prize in junior category of group folk dance competition. I request all the folk dance juniors to come ahead. I ask all the members of the management to do the honors. I request the in-charge teachers to come on stage. This folk dance students of junior category has been awarded with third prize at Prabodhan Krida Mahotsav. who has bagged third prize in KP West ward level competition. I request all the seniors to come on stage. I request all the dignitaries to do the honor. Keep cheering, we can't hear your clap. We have received award level prizes. I request Assistant Headmistress of Primary Section, Mahalakshmi Ma'am, to do the honor. We are proud to announce that our student, Snehal Balirao, has secured first place in Maharashtra Marathi Vidyapeeth. I request Snehal to come ahead. Can I get a huge round of applause for the first rank holder in Maharashtra? Dance speaks what words cannot speak, and choreographers give life to that language. We take this moment to appreciate and felicitate the choreographers of today's performances with a token of love. We request them to kindly grace the stage as their names are announced. Choreographer of Puja Dance, Niveta Pumalai. Swardhara, Mr. Kalpesh. 5th standard Bollywood choreographer, Pragati, Sahaj Rao and Berlin Nadar. I request Vice Principal of Junior College, Mrs. Sindhu Ma'am, to do the honor. A happy moment, all cheer up. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. I call upon the choreographer of 6th standard dance, Malayalam dance, is none other than but our own students, Anamika Nair and Kanishka Saple. Ward level juniors and seniors choreographers, Dhananjay, Bala and Vishwa. 7th standard dance, Marathi dance, Sanchit Mhatre. I request our principal, Shija ma'am, to do the honors. for doing the honors. I call upon the choreographer of 8th Standard Gujarati Dance, Rutuja Bansude, Kusum Parmar and Ananya. I request the Vice Principal of Secondary Section, Mrs. Leena Ma'am, to do the honors. 9th Standard Tamil Dance, Selvan Balakrishna Nadar Ramar. Choreographers of 9th Standard Western Dance, Balakrishna Nadar again, Sarthaki Chaugule and Dhanashri. Accompanied by the two students of the dances. I request Joint Secretary Krishnan Sir to do the honors.
With the prize distribution ceremony, we have come to the end of this session. I request the dignitaries and the management members to kindly take the seats. We respectfully acknowledge the presence of our esteemed guest, Honorable Treasurer of Vivek Education Society, respected Krishnamurthy Sir, who has just joined us. We welcome him with a token of appreciation presented by Rutuja, our office staff. Respected Krishnamurthy Sir, we are honored to have you here.
Give him a huge round of applause, audience. Can't hear.
Welcome, sir.
Congratulations to all our prize winners. Your hard work and achievement have truly made us proud.
And to those who continue striving, remember, every effort counts, and your time to shine will come soon.
We also express our heartfelt gratitude to our honored guests and management members for encouraging our students with their gracious presence.
With blessings and motivation from our dignitaries, the celebration continues. So sit back and get ready once again.
Because the stage is all set to come alive with dazzling dance performances. Before we take your leave, I request the Vice Principal of Secondary Section, Mrs. Leena Ma'am, to proposed vote of thanks.
Thank you, Jansi and Manju. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being with us today. A school becomes a family when parents and teachers work with one heartbeat. It is such a pleasure to be part of this annual day celebration. On behalf of our organizing team, I would like to extend my gratitude to all. As someone once said, a gratitude turns ordinary moments into blessings. Great institutions are built not by walls, but by the vision of those who lead them. And when leadership is guided by purpose, every step becomes progress. We at Vivek are fortunate to have such leaders. I take this opportunity to thank each member of the Governing Council. A special word of appreciation to our principal, Mrs. Shija Menon, for organizing the event and making it memorable. My sincere thanks to all our parents who are our strongest partners in every step of learning journey. Parents, your presence today, your encouragement and your smiles are the greatest blessings of this evening. My heartfelt thanks to all our talented teachers who work quietly and passionately, who are the backbone of every successful event. Thank you to our wonderful students for filling this evening with joy, color, and innocence. My sincere thanks to our non-teaching staff, supporting staff, technical teams, volunteers, all bouncers and security staff at the gate, our caterers for the refreshment, lightmen, photographers, videographer, our Bengali decorators, Mr. Sharvin and staff for the sound system, Mrs. Ashwini for the costume, and each and every one who worked tirelessly to make this program run smoothly. Your quiet efforts are the threads that weave an event into a memory. Finally, to everyone present here, thank you for turning this event into a celebration of love, togetherness, and belonging. Have a lovely evening. May the memories of this evening stay with you long after the light fades. Thank you.
A very good evening to one and all present here. I hope you all are enjoying this magical annual day as much as we are.
You know, Kavya, whenever we talk about entertainment, one thing always comes to my mind: Bollywood.
Absolutely, Zui. Bollywood is not just our film industry. It is world full of emotions, music, color, and lots of entertainment.
This next performance is vibrant tribute to magic of Bollywood, a world of drama, fun, expressions, rhythm, full of masti and unforgettable dance moves.
Today, our talented students will dazzle you with performance inspired by iconic Bollywood movements.
Bollywood dance performance presenting by students of class 5th.
So sit back and give them a huge round of applause and enjoy this spectacular evening of lights, camera, action.
यमला पगला दीवाना हो रब्बा इतनी सी बात न जाना के ओ मैनू प्यार कर दी है साडे उत्ते वो मर दी है के ओ मैनू प्यार कर दी देखो आँख मेरी लड़ी है, अरे रास्ता देखो आँख मेरी लड़ी है, अरे आँख जिससे लड़ी है वो पास मेरे खड़ी है। मुझे जानती है जब से ये मरती है तब से, मैं भी इसे चोरी छुपे चाहता हूँ कब से, दिल में ये मेरे फंस गई, एक कुड़ी फंस गई।
अरे ये क्या कह रहे हो? मैंने ऐसा तो नहीं कहा था।
अरे रास्ता देखो आँख मेरी लड़ी है, अरे रास्ता देखो आँख मेरी लड़ी है, आँख जिससे लड़ी है वो पास मेरे खड़ी है।
गले लग जा, ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं, मेरे पास आ तो मुलाकातों में, काली रातों में, बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया, तेरी बातों में समझा जिया, बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया, तेरी बातों में समझा जिया, बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया। सलामा आ गए फिर से करने हंगामा, बोरी मुंह को कर दे गुलाबी, जश्न रुकने न देंगे जरा भी, अपना फेमस है याद आना, अपने संग तू भी आ जाना, छोड़ दुनिया से शर्माना, जोरों जोरों से तू चिल्लाना, go Goldman, go Goldman, everything's gonna be go Goldman, go Goldman, go Goldman, everything's gonna be go Goldman.
Evarkum Namaskaram.
We have truly enjoyed the wonderful song songs and dances presented so far. But Srirag, what about the next performance?
Mitra, now it's time to experience the grace and rhythm of the Malayalam dance.
But Malayalam songs? I don't know what to expect.
You definitely know about them. Ever heard about the viral hit Illuminati? That's Malayalam.
Of course I know Illuminati. Who doesn't?
Illuminati മാത്രമല്ല മലയാളത്തിൽ പല ഗാനങ്ങളിൽ ഇതായിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Oh, so not just Illuminati, but trendiest Malayalam hits will now take over the stage.
Yes, exactly.
പക്ഷേ പുതിയ ട്രെൻഡി ഗാനങ്ങൾ മാത്രമല്ല പഴയ ഗാനങ്ങൾ പുതിയ രൂപത്തിൽ നവീകരിച്ച പാട്ടുകളുമുണ്ട്.
Not just the latest hits, but timeless classics are now ready to set the stage on fire.
Absolutely. Tradition and trend all in one.
Now our young Vivians are ready to light the stage up.
So everyone get ready and hold on to your seats tight
Because now it's time for the Malayalam dance.
കാന്ത ഞാനും വരാം തൃശ്ശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ കാന്ത ഞാനും വരാം തൃശ്ശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ
ഊരമെണീക്കുന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത
ഊരമെണീക്കുന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത
ഊരമെണീക്കുന്നു കൂടണം കാന്ത
ഊരമെണീക്കുന്നു കൂടണം കാന്ത
വിലയെണീക്കുന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത
വിലയെണീക്കുന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത
വിലയെണീക്കുന്നു പൊട്ടണം കാന്ത
വിലയെണീക്കുന്നു പൊട്ടണം കാന്ത കാന്ത ഞാനും വരാം തൃശ്ശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ ഞാനും വരാം തൃശ്ശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ
ജീവൻ ഏതോ കാലക്കേടില്ലാണോ ലോല വായോ പോകാം ലോകം കാണാം ഹൃദയം പൊട്ടി വഴിയും തെറ്റി വിടത്തി നടുവിൽ കിട്ടി അടിയും പൊട്ടി പണി കിട്ടി ഒരു പൂ തരാമോ ഒരു കായ് തരാമോ കൊടുക്കാൻ അതിനാൽ വരണ്ടേ ആയിരുന്നാൽ കയ്യിൽ വരണ്ടേ ഒന്നാകിനി ഒന്നാകുമോ ചെന്താമരേ എന്താമരേ കണ്ടാലിനി കൊണ്ടാടുമോ പിന്നാലെ ഞാൻ ഒന്നാകുമേ ഒന്നാകിനി ഒന്നാകുമോ ചെന്താമരേ എന്താമരേ നാടിൻ നന്മകനെ പൊന്മകനെ മുത്തായവനെ ഇന്നും സൂര്യനും ചന്ദ്രനും ഒന്നായവനെ കാലം കാത്ത് വച്ച സിംഹാരകനെ ഞങ്ങൾ കണ്ണനായി വന്നവനെ ഭയമേ മാറിപ്പോ നീ അണ്ണൻ വന്നാൽ പിന്തിട്ടുന്നില്ല ഇരുട്ടിൽ സിറ്റി വാഴും രാജാവുക്ക് എല്ലാരും സുല്ല ഇവനെ തൊഴുവാനായി ജനത്തിരക്ക് കാലം നടന്നു വച്ചാൽ സ്വർഗം പോലും മണ്ണപ്പേട് കത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് വിദ്യാരംഭം കുത്തുഹരി ശ്രീ തോക്കിൻ കാഞ്ചി വലി ശീലം പണ്ടേ മാറാത്ത വ്യാധി നെഞ്ചിൽ പൂട്ടി വച്ചോരംഗക്കലി തീരാത്ത വാശി അണ്ണൻ മീശ വെച്ചോരാട്ട പുലി ഇടയാന്നൊരുക്കും തന്റെ ആപത്ത് കട്ടച്ചോല കൊണ്ട് ജ്യൂസടിച്ച് സോഡാ സർബത്ത് നുടിയിൽ മതയാനെ നെരുത്തിടും കരുത്ത് ഇവനെ പടച്ചു വിട്ട കടമുളക്ക്
We have gathered here today with great enthusiasm to celebrate our annual day. I am Kavya Rajesh Patil and I am very excited to announce that our students have secured second prize in the ward level juniors folk dance competition. They have achieved this prize by performing Baredi dance. Baredi dance is a rural folk dance performed by Ahir Yadav community of the Bundelkhand region during the festival of Diwali. This dance symbolizes joy and gratitude and is believed to have existed from the time of Lord Krishna of Ahir community. So, with great excitement, get ready to witness the most energetic performance.
हम सबके प्यारे कान्हा को वंदन करते हुए और आप सभी गुणीजनों की आज्ञा लेते हुए आपके सामने पेश करते हैं मध्य प्रदेश का बुंदेलखंड का बरेदी नाच। किसान कन्हैया ढूंढे जसोदा माँ के संग लाल ग्वाल बाले हे ग्वाल बाले के बरदी नाच दिखा। लचकच के आई कावेरी रे छलकत आवे तू अरे बैठी रानी देखती रे अरे कहाँ बैठी अरे ये बैठी के बैठी रानी देखती रे कि हम है यादव के तू के भैया तुम ही बताओ समझू अरे कौन है कितना जो भैया पड़े गिरधारी हमारो गिरना पड़े गिरधारी हमारो गिरना पड़े मोहनो कह के मारो हमारो गिरना पड़े मोहनो कह के मारो हमारो गिरना पड़े एक हाथ भाई मुरली संभाले मुरली संभाल भैया मुरली संभाल तुझे से पर्वत उठाए के मोहनो गिरना पड़े गिरधारी हमारो गिरना पड़े गिरधारी हमारो गिरना पड़े अर्जुन के रथ पे बैठे कन्हैया अर्जुन के रथ पे बैठे कन्हैया इसने कंधे पकड़ कर डोर रथे चलाए नंदन किशोर अर्जुन के रथ पे बैठे कन्हैया 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 के चारों मिले चौसर खेले और तीन करे बरजोर और तुमसे होगा मिलन ये अरे कह गए 64 करोड़ का भैया के वृंदावन रस्तो भरी होने लगी अगरी तनिक दही के कारण मोरी अरे कहे दही के कारण भैया अरे दही के कारण भैया तनिक दही के कारण मोरी के पकड़ी गई चोरी के भैया भैया भैया
मी तर खूपच एक्साइटेड आहे. बट साक्षी, what exactly are we presenting today?
A colorful, enjoyable Marathi fusion dance filled with grace, fun, friendship, packed with your favorite trending songs and a little bit of masti.
So today's performance is not just a dance but a celebration of culture, energy and the joy of coming together. You will see vibrant moments like Marathi traditional charm and a modern twist that makes the performance come alive. Right, Sakshi?
Absolutely. Each dancer has added their own sparkle, friendship, teamwork, pure passion to make this act unforgettable. As we move forward, the music begins. Let yourself be carried into a world where rhythm meets emotion, tradition meets creativity.
So are you all ready? Spotlights on, music's allowed. Time to groove on Marathi style.
माझे वांगडा चल नको मेरे साथ चल नको मी मुंबई से खाली तुझे लेने को आयलो मी मुंबई से खाली तुझे लेने को आयलो माझे वांगडा चल नको मेरे साथ चल नको मी मुंबई से खाली तुझे लेने को आयलो मी मुंबई से खाली तुझे लेने को आयलो
बोलने वाला तू कुठे चालला जातो तर ऑलरेडी उशिरा आला यू डोंट इवन लव मी कसले रे कमी सांगू का मम्मीला तू बनतो शाणा माझी सासू तुझी मदर ए माझी होणारी हमसफर आय लाईक युअर ब्युटी आय लाईक युअर फॅशन तुझ्यावर थांबून आहे माझी नजर एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घे एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घे
जगात हाय लय भारी इमोशन्स ने भरलेली काळजाला भिडणारी यारी हे लढायचं नाही आता भिडायचं नाही आडवा आला त्याला सोडायचं नाही आम्ही सोबत हाय आमची पावर हाय अडका तुम्हाला सोसायचं नाही आपली यारी लय भन्नाट हाय आपली यारी लय गुंगाट हाय आपली यारी लय भन्नाट हाय आपली यारी लय गुंगाट हाय
वागजीचा भारी बायको पाहिजे नखरेवाली मराठमोळी भोळीची साधी भोळी वागजीचा भारी बायको पाहिजे नखरेवाली धावशील का आकेला धावशील का तिला तू सांगशील का तिचा मग झालो या पागल मी नाटकुळा तिचा मग झालो या पागल मी नाटकुळा
मस्ती की बस्ती को तू ये हुल्लड़ का हैंडल दिला टेंशन की आंटी को भी जनी की फैनी पिला मच की मौसी को बोल चखने में काजू खिला हर टसल को मसल के तू फिसल पे दुनिया हिला